I'm super excited because today's recipe is loved by everyone. Pizza! Yes, my homemade pizza is what I call extra yummy. When I make my homemade pizza, I add any topping of my choice and just enjoy myself. Here's how I make my pizza. Sometimes I add starters or just fresh dough. Flour, a spoon of sugar, cooking oil, salt, yeast and semovita for dusting my work table. In a bowl, I put my flour, my salt, sugar, then add my bloomed yeast. Mix together, knead, then drizzle a little bit of oil and knead. Put it back into the bowl to rise. While I wait, I prepare all my toppings. My mozzarella cheese, spring onions, garlic oil, sausages, tomato sauce, seasoning, and I set it aside. I just checked my dough and it's all ready. I just dust my work surface with a bit of semovita for that beautiful crust and spread the dough with my hands until it occupies the pan. I have made a rectangular shaped pizza many times, but today I'm having the circular shape. It's time for the toppings. For me, I start brushing with garlic oil that I made earlier. My tomato sauce is next. I add a bit of pepper for a little bit of heat and smoky barbecue sauce, mix spices and seasoning. I'm spreading it all around the dough. Then more garlic oil. I place my fried sliced sausages, spring onions, mozzarella cheese, and into my preheated oven. I have to be honest with you, it's not easy waiting for this deliciousness to be ready. All the garlic and the barbecue smoky sauce flavor is in the air. Thank you for waiting with me. It's finally done. It's time to taste. I mean munch. Every slice is crunchy and yet soft. This recipe is so simple, and because you stayed with me through making this deliciousness, you deserve to recreate this homemade pizza. Thank you.